Okay, here's a problem related to a photo. This photo is opening with FastStone viewer, and after I double click on it, it will show up and it will disappear. So I double click on it, it's showing and it's disappearing. Okay, and even up here the photo is not visible, it's not there. Okay, if we close it, we can see that it's not as clear as the rest of the photos, and that means that it is a hidden file. So either remove the hidden property, go to properties and remove the hidden attribute, uncheck hidden. Okay, now it's much clearer. Now if you open it, now it's showing, it's not disappearing. Or if you want to remain it hidden, go back to properties, check hidden. Okay, open it, it will disappear again. Okay, now press enter, it's opening FastStone viewer. Now go to settings, settings again, and here on this window check show hidden files and folders, and okay. Now if you close it and open it again, now it's still hidden file. If you open it again, now it's not disappearing, it's showing it. So before it was not showing it permanently because it was a hidden file. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.